Good afternoon and welcome once again to the weekly update with the mayor and with Kyle Johansson. It's spitting snow right now, a little bit here and there, but Kyle, give us an update. Do we have more of the white stuff in store for us over the next couple days?
So today we'll look for snow showers, a high of 30, chance of snow 90%. Tonight, snow showers, low of 21. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Tomorrow morning, snow showers, high of 31. Tomorrow night, cloudy, low of 22. Friday, mostly cloudy, high of 37. Friday night, cloudy. Saturday afternoon, snow showers, high of 34. Saturday night, snow showers early, low of 15. Sunday, mostly cloudy, high of 26. Sunday night, mostly cloudy, low of 11. President's Day, Monday, afternoon snow showers, high of 23. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Monday night, snow, low of 19. Snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Tuesday, snow showers, high of 33. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tuesday night, partly cloudy, low of 16. And next Wednesday, mostly cloudy, high of 32. And snow showers late with a low of 19. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches.
So snow.
For the next 2 weeks, several rounds.
So with that, I want to remind people that it is really important and valuable for you to pull down the Athens, Ohio City Source app and use that. We were getting a lot of calls from people about snow removal last week. And I know our snow crews, they're out there, snow and ice control. They're rolling all the time, but sometimes it takes them a while to get to certain streets. It's always important to use that app to report out something that has not been hit yet in terms of having the snow and ice removed. So sounds like we're in for quite a bit of snow coming down over the next 7 days. Kyle, do you want to update us on all things COVID-19?
Yes, so in Ohio, it's been out over 3,291 new cases and 80 new deaths. And now the curfew beginning tomorrow could expire because now we're seeing hospitalizations gradually declining, not only in the United States and over around the states as well. And then globally, cases then over 105 million cases and 2.2 approaching deaths. And then crazy thing that is now, if these variants, like the South African variant, they're saying that would confront or trap the reverse of getting somewhat back to normal because they're going to try to find a vaccine for that one as of right now.
Wow. Thank you, Kyle. We did receive an announcement from Dr. James Gaskell at the Athens City County Health Department, and I want to take a moment to read the press release. And that is the increases in COVID-19 deaths occurring here in Athens County, and people will likely start to see the rise in numbers within the next day or two, if not this afternoon. And basically, it's the number of deaths related to COVID-19 in Athens County will increase into the 20s on the Ohio Department of Health COVID-19 dashboard this week. The increase is a result of known deaths that have occurred mid to late January who were residents in long-term care facilities in Athens County. While the outbreaks of these facilities have subsided, it is not uncommon to have these types of delays in reporting as a result of the health or the death certificate process. COVID-19 deaths are not uploaded into the Ohio Disease Reporting System, ODRS, until the decedent's death records have been received by the health department and verified by the Ohio Department of Health. A COVID-19 related death is one that is identified on the death certificate as the immediate cause of death or listed as a condition leading to the immediate cause of death. The health department receives and reviews all death certificates for Athens County. However, death certificates information is completed by the attending physician caring for the deceased. The health department is committed to the timely upload of COVID-19 death statistics after receiving and verification of the cause of death. Dr. Gaskell goes on, we express our condolences to those families and friends who have lost their loved ones due to COVID-19. As do I, as the mayor of the city of Athens, extend my regrets and condolences to those who have lost a loved one due to this unrelenting pandemic virus that we're dealing with. Kyle, do you have any updates for us when it comes to Ohio University athletics?
Yes, tonight the women's are away at Ball State. Women's are back home on Saturday at 1 p.m. Wrestling is on Sunday at 3 p.m. at the Convo, and then men's basketball games has been postponed until the 27th. So the last your home game could be on schedule against Buffalo at 2 p.m. And then baseball starts in a couple of weeks. Softball starts this week. And then soccer starts in 3 weeks from tomorrow. And then OU football starts about 5 months away.
It's away. Now, you said softball. So if that's starting this week, again, I'm sure that that's predicated upon snow conditions on the fields.
Well, they're not being back home till later in the March, late March.
Okay. Well, then maybe they're safe. Hopefully, we will not see a high level of snowfall all the way up until the month of March.
Nope. Who knows?
That's right. Who knows? Who knows? Kyle, thank you as usual. It's great having you on, and look forward to seeing you again next week for the next weather, sports, and COVID-19 updates.
Yep. See you next week.
All right. I'm going to jump right in with the President's Day is Monday. And with that comes a delay in trash and recycling pickup here in the city of Athens. So keep that in mind, that that will be backed up by a day. If your trash and recycling is typically put out on a Monday, push it to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, Thursday to Friday, and then Fridays on Friday. So bear in mind that with that holiday, HRC will not be en route on Monday picking up trash. The other thing is the weather advisory. I mean, you just heard it from Kyle. We are expecting snowfall. And I really want to remind people to be cautious and to be careful if you have to be out driving, especially if we have 3 inches of accumulation and ice. Ice can glaze that surface, even cleared surfaces. So our snow and ice control crews will be out working hard through all of this. So just keep that in mind. Please, please, please be careful if you're out driving around. And also, get the alerts if you can in terms of the county updates when it comes to the weather advisories when we go from a level 1 to a level 2, or possibly, again, it's a 3-level system. Not that we're anticipating a level 3, but be prepared. Another thing that's interesting, something that I was notified of just earlier today or yesterday, and that is the Ohio Development Services Agency, DSA, is now distributing over $100 million in federal funding to help low-income Ohioans who do not own their homes but are renters, to help them pay rent, water, sewer, wastewater, electric, gas, oil, and or trash removal bills. This is pretty amazing and great. Ohioans can apply for the assistance with outstanding balances dating back to March 13th of 2020. So if you have been struggling for some time, going all the way back to March 13th of 2020, you are eligible for this, or assistance for future rent and utility payments once back bills have been made up and brought current. If you want more information on this, you can reach out to Ohio, again, the Ohio Development Services Agency, as they will be the funding source or the department responsible for that particular program. Updates on the Stimson Avenue, there will be a water outage. Trucko Construction is going to will be completing their work on Stimson Avenue water line. And there is a water outage that is expected for properties on Stimson Avenue and adjacent streets tomorrow. It will begin at approximately 10 p.m. and the service will be restored by 3 a.m. Friday morning on the 12th. So keep that in mind. That'll be in the area of Stimson Avenue between State Street and Grant Street. It'll be Campbell Street and Grant Street South. Carpenter Street, State Street, Stimson Avenue lane closures. Again, this is running through the 12th, so this Friday. There will still be work on Carpenter Street, Stimson Avenue, State Street. There will be lane closures, as we've been experiencing for a while now, between 7:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. each day. There will be flaggers that'll flag you with those lane restrictions in that particular area. Some upcoming meetings in the city. The Athens Municipal Arts Commission will be meeting the 10th, that is this evening at 5:30. The Athens County Regional Planning Commission will be meeting Thursday morning at 8 a.m. if you want to get up bright and early and check that one out. The Athens City Commission on Disabilities will be meeting tomorrow evening, and that is at, actually, it'll be tomorrow afternoon at 12 p.m. And then the Athens City Commission on Disabilities, their regular committee meeting, that will be tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. The Commission on Disabilities Accessibility Committee, that is the one that is meeting at noon tomorrow. Shade Tree, they're meeting tomorrow as well at 7 p.m. Affordable Housing Commission is meeting February 15th. That will be at noon. And Athens City Council will be meeting on the 15th at their regularly scheduled time, which is 7 p.m. There is a Coming Better Together, celebrating Black history within our community. This is the Black History Month celebration. You can join a large group, socially distanced and masking, at the Athens County Courthouse steps. That'll be Tuesday, February 23rd at 3 p.m. It is sponsored by the Athens City Schools Andrew Jackson Davison Club, also by the Ohio Valley Bank, Mount Zion Athens Black Wall Street Project, and Ohio University Diversity and Inclusion, the Multicultural Center. This is pretty cool. I will likely be down there for this. It'll be music, poetry, speeches, and a lot more. Masks and physical distancing are required. So if if you're interested, encourage you to check that out. There is also an event taking place this Friday at 3 p.m. It is the Save Ohio Higher Education, the economic impact on higher ed. It is a Zoom meeting and would encourage people to contact for additional information, reach out to saveohiohighered@gmail.com if you're interested in it. I will be part of a roundtable discussion talking about the impacts of the decreasing student enrollments on our local economy. And that will be a 3:00 panel discussion. The last thing I want to mention is that there is a summit, if I can get this to come up on my computer real quick, another summit coming up, and it is the Black Summit. This is communicating and creating a community of social justice and racial equity. Join in the conversation. This will be open dialogue with peers, learn about Mount Zion Preservation Society, Black Wall Street, Athens, and Albany, and the new Athens Green Book. This is going to be February 18th from 6 to 9 p.m. The local keynote will be Dr. J.W. Smith, 4 keys to creating a community of social justice and racial equity. There will also be a state national perspective from Ms. Nana Watson, president of the Columbus chapter of NAACP. There is a Zoom link, and the moderators will be Dr. Carolyn Bailey Lewis and Mr. Brandon Thompson. And individuals would need to RSVP to attend that particular event. They can do so by emailing or going to reggie@communityfoodinitiatives.org. Again, reggie@communityfoodinitiatives.org to RSVP for that particular event. I will be partaking in that, as I will the other initiatives that I have mentioned to you, to include the Save Ohio Higher Ed. Thank you for tuning in today, and please tune in again next week for the next weekly update with the mayor. And remember the weather, drive careful if you're out and about, and if you leave your vehicle to go into a place that is open to the public, please make sure you've got your mask on and keep yourself masked up, keep washing your hands, keep social distancing, and we will